Firefighting truck with drone. China has introduced a next-generation fire truck that brings a major shift in how high-rise fires can be addressed. This advanced fire truck features an integrated drone designed specifically to fight fires in locations that are difficult or impossible for conventional fire engines to reach. The drone is housed within the vehicle's roof and can deploy in under a minute, allowing crews to respond rapidly during critical early moments. Once airborne, it can ascend up to 200 meters and spray water as far as 45 meters, extending firefighting reach well beyond traditional ladder systems. High-flow systems can deliver water or foam at rates exceeding 1,900 liters per minute, giving firefighters sustained suppression capability at remarkable heights. Constructed with flame-retardant carbon fiber, the drone is built to operate in extreme heat. It is equipped with thermal vision, CO2 cannons, and pressurized fire suppressant capsules, enabling precise targeting of hotspots hidden behind smoke or structural obstacles. Using LiDAR and AI mapping, the drone can navigate through thick smoke and debris while maintaining stable flight. The system operates as a tethered design, remaining connected to the truck through a high-strength cable and hose. This connection supplies continuous power for extended hovering and provides a direct flow of water or foam from the truck's tank. DJI Agras T100. The DJI Agras T100 is an agricultural drone designed for large-scale farming and crop care. It features a rugged airframe with a high load capacity that lets operators cover extensive fields with liquid spraying or seed spreading tasks. Powered by advanced flight control technology, the T100 can fly stable patterns in challenging conditions, lowering fatigue for pilots and increasing field coverage. Its intelligent route planning system enables efficient application, reducing waste and optimizing resource use. The tank volume and pump design support continuous operation, while safety sensors help avoid obstacles and protect sensitive equipment. Farmers benefit from real-time data feedback during missions, giving insights into speed, altitude, and spray distribution. The modular battery system allows quick swaps, so work keeps moving. Designed for ease of maintenance, the Agras T100 keeps downtime low and lets agricultural teams focus on daily tasks with confidence and reliability in demanding environments everywhere possible. H60-4 Cleaning Drone. The H60-4 Cleaning Drone is an industrial aerial unit built for cleaning tall structures like bridges, towers, and building exteriors. It has a strong frame and stable flight system that let it hover precisely in tight spaces, making it easier to reach dirt, grime, and hard spots without scaffolding or lifts. Equipped with high-pressure water jets and adjustable nozzles, this drone can wash surfaces efficiently while operators control spray patterns from the ground. Sensors monitor altitude and proximity to obstacles, helping maintain a safe distance from surfaces and protecting fragile areas. The onboard tank holds cleaning solution and can be refilled quickly between runs. Its navigation software supports predefined paths and live adjustments, so operators can adapt to changing conditions on site. With weather-resistant components and quick battery swaps, the H60-4 keeps cleaning cycles moving in commercial, urban, and remote environments, helping teams complete jobs faster with less manual labor. Spider IM400 Agricultural Drone. The Spider IM400 Agricultural Drone is built for modern crop care and field management. Designed for reliability and long flights, it carries liquid or granular payloads for spraying nutrients, pest control solutions, and seed treatments across acres with consistent coverage. Its flight system keeps the aircraft steady over uneven terrain and changing wind, so operators can focus on mission planning. Smart mapping tools let users define flight lines and adjust spray rates based on crop needs, helping reduce waste and protect sensitive areas. The tank and pump layouts support continuous operation and easy refills between missions. Real-time telemetry shows speed, altitude, and application status on the ground controller, giving clear insights into progress. Safety functions alert pilots to obstacles and help maintain safe positioning near power lines and trees. With quick battery swaps and straightforward maintenance, the Spider IM400 helps farming teams complete daily tasks efficiently and with confidence in a range of environments. DJI Flycart 100. DJI Flycart 100 is an autonomous ground delivery robot designed to move goods smoothly across campuses, logistics hubs, and urban settings. It uses advanced sensors and navigation systems to travel safely along sidewalks, paths, and restricted lanes, adjusting speed and route in response to pedestrians and obstacles. The modular cargo compartment holds parcels or supplies, and operators can load and secure items quickly before dispatch. With intelligent route planning software, it follows optimized paths that reduce idle time and adapt to changing conditions like foot traffic or temporary closures. Battery units are easy to swap, so the robot stays in service longer during busy shifts. Real-time communication with base systems lets staff track location, status, and delivery progress through a dashboard, making coordination clear. Built from durable materials, the Flycart 100 handles routine use outdoors and responds to commands from remote operators when support is needed. Its design helps teams manage repetitive delivery tasks with greater ease and predictability.